Hello, I'm Dr. Nick. I practice in San Francisco, one of the world's centers for technology and engineering, which means I see a lot of people who spend their day looking down at a phone, a laptop, a desk. If you've noticed tension building in your neck or a shift in your posture from all that forward lean, this routine is for you. The exercises ahead are built to work in the opposite direction, to rebuild balance and tone in the muscles that hold your neck and upper back in place. You can do this right at your desk. It only takes a few minutes to wake up and balance out the musculature of your cervical spine. Do this daily, more than once a day if you can. Neck rotation. Turn your head fully to one side, then the other. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Lateral flexion. Bring one ear towards your shoulder, then the other. Keep switching, nice and slow. Flexion and extension. For this one, roll your chin down and in like you're squeezing the last bit out of a tube of toothpaste. Then lift back up and look towards the ceiling. Keep repeating. Chin tucks. To do this one, pull your chin straight back, like you are making a double chin. Hold for a moment. Shoulder rolls forward. Roll your shoulders up and forward in a full circle. Repeat 10 times. Shoulder rolls backwards. Now reverse it. Roll your shoulders up and back. Repeat 10 times. Neck rolls. Roll your neck in a full circle 10 times to the right and 10 times to the left.